Okay, children, starting with exercise 6.5. We have to start exercise 6.5. We completed the trivies. PQR is a triangle, right angled at P. Okay, so let's write the question. PQR is a right triangle. So we make a right triangle. This is PQR. It is right angled at P. So this is P, this is Q, and this is R. Q can be here also, R can be here also. You can make any ways. PQ is 10 and PR is 24. PQ is 10 and PR is 24. We have to find what we have to find. Find QR. We have to find this. We have to find the hypotenuse. Okay, that means if we use the Pythagoras theorem, we will able to find the hypotenuse. Okay, since it is a right triangle, so directly we can write in triangle PQR by Pythagoras theorem. Perpendicular square, okay, plus base square. You can write small p also. P square plus b square is equal to h square. I am writing down it. P square plus b square is equal to h square. What is p square? That is pq. Okay, so you can write here pq square plus pr square. Base is how what? Pr. And this is QR square. So this is how we are going to get a QR. Now what is PQ? 10. So 10 ka square plus what is PR? 24 ka square, which is equal to QR ka square. 10 times is 100. 24 is 576. And this is QR square. Then we add, this is 676 is equal to QR square. Okay, now square will be, the square will come this side and it becomes root. So it will be root square root of 676. 676 ka square root, which we don't know. So very easy, simple method, 676. We use the long division method and find the prime factors of 676. 676 we write here. So it will go by 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 8s are 16. Once again. 2 1s are 2. 6 are 12. 9s are. Now this is 13. 13 13s are 169. So, in place of 676, what all we can write? हम लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 into 13 into 13, which is equal to QR. 2 into 2, इसका एक बाहर आता है, yes, and 13 into 13 का एक बाहर आ जाएगा. Just to remove this root. So, 2 into 13 is 26. That means QR is equal to 26. This completes the first question. Then we go to the second question. ABC is a triangle. Question number 2. ABC is a triangle right angled at C. So again we make a right triangle. C is the right angle. So ABC. ABC is a triangle which is right angled at C. AB is 25. AB is 25. And BC. So to find this, that means this is what base, this is perpendicular, this is hypotenuse. So again we use the Pythagoras theorem and we find the value of BC. So we write in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem. Very interesting theorem it is, yes. So perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Who is the perpendicular? जो सीधा खड़ा है, that is AC square, plus who is the base? BC square, and who is the hypotenuse? AB square. Now we put the values. We put the value of AC. How much is AC? 7 square. And how much is BC? We don't know, so we let it be BC only. And what is AB? 25 square. Okay. Now to find out BC, we shift 7 square here. Correct? So it is plus. It will become minus. So BC square is equal to 25 square minus 7 square. Let us solve now. So 25 is 625. So BC square is equal to 625 minus 7 is 49. Now we subtract 625 and 49. So it is 576. So BC square is 576. So BC will be, this square will be changed, it will shift and it becomes square root. So now we have to find the square root of 576 children. So what to do? Again हम इसके prime factors find out करेंगे with this method which we have studied long ago. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 4s are 4s are again, 2 7s are 14, 2 36, correct? Yes. 2 18, 2 9, 3 3s are and 3 1s are. So let's see what all has come. So BC is equal to 6 2s are there, and 2 3s are there. Now we make the pairs for BC. This is the pair 2, 1 2 has come out. This is another pair, another 2 has come out. This is another pair, another 2 has come out. And this is one more pair. This is the bar curl line, okay, on top of 3. So, and 1 3 has come out. Now we multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the answer is what? The value of BC is 24. This completes question number 2, children. We start with question number 3. So there's a diagram already given. Let me make the diagram. I'm making a small diagram. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12 meter high from the ground. So this is a 15 meter long ladder. Ladder यानी सीढ़ी जो हम चढ़ने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, right? So this is 15 meter and it is reaching one window. There's a window who is 12 meters higher in the from the ground. Okay, apart 12 meters apart from the high from the ground, or placing it against a wall at a distance of a, and the distance between the wall and the ladder is a. Okay, on the ground, नहीं हवा वहाँ ऊपर नहीं, ground में. So find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. That means we have to find this distance. We have to find a. Now you know this is a building, so obviously it is what? Standing straight, correct? And this is a ground, so it is horizontal, this is vertical, that means this is perpendicular, that means it is forming a 90-degree angle, that means it is a right triangle. You can see it's a right triangle, correct? Now this is the perpendicular, base, hypotenuse. So using the Pythagoras theorem once again, we find the value of a. So since it's a right triangle, you can write, since it's a right triangle, since it's a right triangle, hence by Pythagoras theorem, perpendicular square plus base square is equal to hypotenuse square. Now what is the perpendicular? This is the perpendicular, so 12 ka square. What is the base? A ka square. And what is the hypotenuse? 15 ka square. Now this 12 will be shifted here, correct? So it is positive, it will become negative. Equal to 225 and 12 12s is 144. So a square is equal to, now 225 we subtract 144. This becomes 1, we borrow, and this becomes 8. So it becomes 81. A square is 81, so a will be square root of 81. That means we know 81 is what? 9 9s are 81, correct? So one pair comes out. So A is how much? 9 meters. So this completes question number 3.